Hold the apron on the inner surface and unfold. Ensure apron is facing the correct way round, with the smooth PE surface facing outwards. The garment label will be on the inside face of the apron. Put the apron with the neck strap over the shoulders. Loop the neck strap behind the neck and connect both ends. Hold the folded loop in one hand and the single end with the other. Then pull them apart. The knot should undo easily. Tie the waist strap for a secure fit. You can tie at the side for a comfortable fit. Your apron is now donned.